Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Little Britain, a peaceful and historic area just north of Lockport in Manitoba. Settled in the 1820s by former Hudson's Bay Company employees of English and Scottish heritage, this community grew along the Red River between Lower Fort Garry and Lockport. Early settlers built a log meeting house that served as a church, school, and gathering place for families. In 1874, they built the beautiful stone Presbyterian church you see today, designed by skilled stonemasons and later renamed Little Britain United Church when it joined the United Church of Canada. The stone church still stands surrounded by its cemetery where many early settlers are buried. This quiet place sits on lands that belong to Treaty 1 territory and lies within the heart of southern Manitoba's rich prairie region. The landscape here was shaped by glaciers, giving the land its gentle rises and fertile soil ideal for farming. Today, Little Britain remains a welcoming and reflective community where simple country roads lead you through history, heritage stone walls, and memories of Manitoba's earliest settlers. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Little Britain, Manitoba.